Good morning students, how are you all? Today I will continue the topic tense. Now I will explain you about perfect tense and what is perfect continuous tense. Okay, first what is tense? Tense is the time of an action. There are three kinds of tense: present tense, past tense and future. In previous lecture I explained you about simple tense and continuous tense. In this class I will explain you about perfect tense and perfect continuous tense. Okay, you have to remember the rules only. Don't mug up, only remember the rules and you can solve the exercise. First is present perfect tense. What do you mean by present perfect tense? Present perfect tense is used कब यूज करेंगे? For an action that was just finished, जो just अभी finish हुआ है and is connected with the present moment. जो अभी finish हुआ है then it is called present perfect. अभी just completed हुआ है. Okay? Its formula is has or have plus V3. Here you will write the third form of the verb, past participle. In perfect you have to always remember you will use V3 form of the verb. What you will remember? V3. Simple tense V1, but in past tense V2, and in all forms continuous V1. In perfect V3. Okay? Now has or have. Has is used with singular and have is used with plural. He has been sleeping. Okay? They have been sleeping. He has slept. Perfect tense. He has slept. वह सो गया था. He has slept. Third form of the verb. He has slept. They have slept. Understood? He is for singular. They is for plural. Now past perfect. Two actions are finished completely, one after the other in the past tense. Had. They had finished their work. चाहे वो singular रहे चाहे plural रहे, for both you have to use had. For past tense you will use had plus V3 form of the verb. And in future you will use will have V3 form of the verb. Okay? What you will use? Will plus have plus V3 form of the verb. For example, I am giving you a sentence. Ram slips on the bench. Convert it, change it into present perfect. What is the formula? Has or have. Ram is singular. So what will be the present perfect of this sentence? Ram has slept on the bench. Because Ram is singular, therefore with singular you will write has. Has and third form of the sleep ka third form slept. Understood? Ram has slept on the bench. What will be his past perfect? Ram had slept. Okay? And future, Ram will have slept. Understood? The difference? When you have to use present perfect, when you have to use past perfect, and when you have to use future perfect. Now, perfect continuous tense. When you will use present perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous tense is used when work starts at a certain time in past. Past में जो start हुआ था and still in progress. Past में start हो गया पर अभी भी progress में है. Then it is called perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous. Its formula is has or have been ing V1 form of the verb. Here in all you have to write V1 form of the verb. Understood? What you have to write? V1 form of the verb. सिर्फ आपको बस ये याद रखना has या have लगेगा. Has लगता है singular, have for plural, and you have to write the word been. Same sentence. Ram sleeps on the bench. Change it into present perfect continuous. What will be your answer? Ram has been sleeping on the bench. Okay. Now past. Past perfect continuous is used when work starts in past and continue for a certain period of time. Your formula is had been plus V1 ing. Here it is has, you have to use here had. Okay. Now change this sentence into past perfect continuous. Ram had been sleeping on the bench. Okay. Now future. फ्यूचर के लिए आपको फॉर्मूला will have been ing, will plus have been ing. You have to remember only the formula. When you have to use future perfect continuous, when work is start at a certain time in future. Future में जब कोई काम किया रहेगा and will continue for a certain period of time, बहुत देर तक के वो फ्यूचर में जो काम हो गया है और वो जो अभी भी चल रहा है for a certain period of time, कुछ टाइम के लिए वो हो रहा है, then it is called future perfect continuous. Okay. Now difference between since and for. When you have to use since and when you have to use for. Since is used to for a point of time. कोई एक समय बता रहा, fixed time, morning या Monday, then you will use since. And for is used for period of time. कुछ समय घंटा बता रहा है 2 hours के लिए. She is sleeping for 2 hours. She is sleeping since morning. Morning से सो रही. Then you will write here since. 6 years, 5 days. Then you will write for. And since is used for perfect continuous tense. In your example, page number 48. It has been raining since 8 p.m. 8 p.m. से पानी गिर रहा है. Then you will write here since. Okay. So what you have to do, students? You have to do only write the definition of tense. How many kinds of tense are there? And simply write this chart. Page number 46, 47 this chart, and page number 47 another chart. 3 chart you have to remember the rules and write in your copy. Don't write in your book. You have to do this work in your copy. Tomorrow I will give you 5 sentences for practice. Then only you will be able to do the tense. And after doing that, then we will solve the exercise. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day.